Hey there! You may have come across the term money laundering before. And no, it has nothing to do with tossing dirty bills into a washing machine. Money laundering is the process of making money earned through illegal activities appear as if it came from legitimate legal sources. It's essentially about taking dirty money and making it look clean. That's where the name comes from. Imagine you've just made a large amount of cash through activities that definitely aren't legal, like robbing a bank or selling drugs, and now you're sitting on $1 million in cash. If you try to deposit that money straight into a bank, alarms will go off immediately. The bank will want to know where the money came from. Those questions raise red flags, and that attention eventually reaches the government. If they trace it back to illegal activity, you're going to prison. Obviously, you can't just tell the bank or the authorities the truth, so you claim the money came from a legal business, like owning a restaurant. There's just one problem. You don't actually own a restaurant, and you can't cook. But that's not an issue. To make the story believable, you simply buy a restaurant, hire employees, and start serving real food to real customers. Whether the food is good or terrible doesn't really matter. It also doesn't matter if the place is empty most of the time. The restaurant isn't there to succeed as a business. It's there to act as your washing machine for dirty money. Here's how it works. You take a portion of the illegal cash you already have and mix it with the restaurant's real income. So if the restaurant genuinely earns $10 and you add $20 from illegal activities, you report $30 in total revenue. To the bank and the government, it looks like all $30 came from your restaurant. As far as they're concerned, that money is now completely legitimate. You can deposit it, spend it, and move it around without raising suspicion. And money laundering isn't limited to restaurants or fake businesses. There are many other methods like gambling at casinos, buying expensive art, investing in real estate, or even moving money through cryptocurrency. And just to be clear, don't try any of this in real life. If you'd like me to make more videos explaining how these schemes work, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.